Homework assignment number 7, the DOM. The rectangles HTML page. The page displays 10 rectangles of different colors and the color hex code which is displayed below each of the rectangles. The CSS styling starts on line 40. The rectangle's styling is contained within the style tags in the page header. The main container has class rectangle wrapper and is styled with padding as per the specifications. Line 45. Each of the rectangles is styled with the class rectangles, specifying width, height and margin. Line 52. Each of the rectangles and hex color code text is wrapped in a container div with the class recwrap. Lines 56 to 64 provide basic text alignment and styling. Lines 66 to 104 specify the background color for each of the rectangles. The rectangles page HTML starts on line 107 with the body. There are two headers, H1 and H2 as specified are on lines 108 and 109. The main rectangle container div starting on line 111 contains each of the rectangles. Line 113, each of the rectangle div and hexcode text is wrapped in another container div with the recwrap class. This is repeated 10 times, one for each of the rectangles. Each of the divs within the recwrap container div has a unique ID. JavaScript. On line 107, the onPage load function is called with the onLoad event when the page is loaded. On line 167, the onPage load function console logs the here are the rectangle IDs statement. On line 171, it creates a const containing a node list containing all the div elements with the class rectangles. On line 174, the for-of loop loops through each of the node list div elements and console logs each of their IDs.